What can I make for dinner with chicken, rice, and half a bell pepper? That's the exact prompt. Type it into Gemini AI, Google's free AI tool, and it hands you a full meal plan in seconds. So I did this for real. Opened up Gemini at gemini.google.com, completely free, no sign-up tricks, and typed in every sad ingredient sitting in my fridge. Half an onion, 2 eggs, some leftover rice, a can of chickpeas I kept ignoring. Honestly, the kind of stuff that usually ends up in the trash by Friday. Gemini didn't just say make fried rice. It gave me 4 different meal ideas, told me which one would take the least time, and listed the steps in plain language. No fancy techniques, no ingredients I didn't have. The one that got me was a spiced chickpea rice bowl with a fried egg on top. Ready in 15 minutes. And this is the part I wasn't expecting, it tasted genuinely good. Like made it on purpose good. If this is the kind of thing you want more of, Stack Future posts one of these every single day. Here's where AI meal planning gets actually useful. After that first meal, I pushed further. I typed, plan 5 dinners for me this week using these ingredients, keep it simple, and tell me what I'd need to buy to fill the gaps. Gemini mapped out the whole week. It noticed I was low on protein and suggested one small grocery ad. It grouped meals so leftovers from Tuesday became ingredients for Thursday. That's the part most people miss. It thinks ahead so you don't have to. You're not just getting recipes, you're getting a logic layer on top of your fridge. An AI cooking helper that asks nothing except what you already have. Try telling it your dietary stuff too. Make it high protein or nothing spicy. It adjusts immediately, no judgment. Honestly, the fridge prompt is the move. Just describe what's in there, ask Gemini to make something work, and let it figure out the meal. You'll stop staring at your fridge wondering what to cook tonight, because now you have an answer in about 30 seconds. Tomorrow we're covering 5 free AI tools that write your social media content for you. Better than doing it yourself. That one's worth sticking around for. If this helped, tap the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this stuff.